Hello students, welcome to Showrob Sir's classes. So in today's video, we'll be solving a question from mathematical statistics. First, I'll read out the question which goes like this. If x and y are two independent random variables, each representing the number of failures preceding the first success in a sequence of Bernoulli trials with p as probability of success in a single trial and q as probability of failure, show that px equals to y is given by p by 1 plus q. So now how do we do it? For this, first write down p x equals to y is equals to summation r equals to 0 to infinity p into x equals to r, y is equals to r intersection y is equals to small r, which is equals to summation r equals to 0 to infinity probability of x equals to r into probability of y equals to r. So now from here we can state that this we got because the case that x and y are independent random variables. So x and y are independent random variables. Now from here we can also write that p square summation r equals to 0 to infinity q to the power 2r equals to p square 1 plus q square plus q to the power 4 plus ... which is equals to p square by 1 minus q square, which is equals to p by 1 plus q. So we have shown that px equals to y is p by 1 plus q. So I'll be giving you 1 minute so that you can go through it. First read out the question which is given as if x and y are two independent random variables, so each representing the number of failures preceding the first success in a sequence of Bernoulli trials with p as probability of success in a single trial, q as the probability of failure. So we have to show probability of x equals to y is equals to p by 1 plus q. So first for 1 minute just go through the sum, read the question, then I will come again, will explain this question. So I hope you guys have gone through it. So I have simply written down probability x equals to y is equals to summation r equals to 0 to infinity probability of x equals to r intersection y equals to r. Now given the fact x and y are independent random variables, we can simply write it this way, that is we can say probability x equals to r into probability y equals to r. Now from here we'll simply put the value. If you take p outside, it will become p square, and in the inside of it we'll be left with q to the power 2r, which we can write it this. So we'll get p by 1 by q is the answer. So p equals to x equals to y, probability x equals to y is nothing but p by 1 plus q, where p is the probability of success in a single trial and q is the probability of failure. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any query or doubt, so we could not get into the nitty-gritties of this question. So if you want to know more about this kind of question and want to know more about us, I'll be giving you my number, which is 9836 793076. It is 9836 793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showropsirclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials for exams related to mathematical statistics. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.